Let's take a look at how Tesla fared today. So Tesla is up $1.30. That's 0.55%, closed at 235.60. Post-market, we seem to be up by a further 17 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart in terms of the patterns that we are in. So we had the buy signal for Tesla last Tuesday with this break of resistance right here. And we have been pulling back right down to that support. The resistance becomes support once they are broken. And this is telling us that we had some buyers that came in again at 226.78. This is what this means. We are coming down, the price is coming down, and then boom, the price started to go back up because buyers were coming in. So we have new buyers that are coming in at that price. This is good news. We should be able to continue. And today, the price did not go as low as where we were yesterday. It did not go as high, but it did not go as low. So this is good news. People are still paying higher on average for Tesla stock today than what they could pay yesterday. The tug of war is now for 238.11. This is the resistance that we have right here. This is where the tug of war is happening. If we break 238.11, then this is going to mean that we should go even higher. If we break lower than 226.85, it's going to mean that the tug of war has reversed and that the sellers are now in control below 226.85. We still are waiting for a break of 238.11 because we have bought approximately at 235. We are going to sell below 226.85. So right now we are pretty much even Steven and we just want to make money. So we need the stock to go higher. Let's take a look at the VIX. So the VIX is continuing its move down. So we are down 0.39, 2.82%, closed at 1342. Stock market is going up because of this. The VIX is coming down. When the VIX is coming down, the stock market is going up. This is great. Tesla should be following. So Tesla is a little bit of a laggard, but let's hope that it follows soon. The US Treasury bonds, the 10-year bond, they are just going sideways, nothing to see here. US dollar dropping. This is helping also the stock market. We like it to drop. Let's take a look at some of our EV stocks. So Rivian is pretty much going sideways, nothing to see here. XPeng. XPeng is a different matter. Look at this here. I was talking yesterday, Sunday, during the Tesla Weekly Live with my members. You can become a member if you want to. I was talking that it is the time to buy right now for XPeng. I won't repeat everything. This is the time to buy. And this is going even higher today. So we are up 8.5% and we are breaking a horizontal resistance, a new horizontal resistance. Things are going pretty well. We have a good stochastic. We have all of our indicators. You do your own research, you make your own decisions. This is not financial advice, but I'm thinking of getting into that one. NIO is not at the same place. NIO is not at the same place. I'm sorry to say we don't have stochastic and we have a hard time breaking this resistance at 791. We really have a hard time. Look at this here. We have been having a hard time since October 19th, I would say. Yes, we closed above on October 24th. We closed above that number again November 3rd, but it did not last. And today we went above and then we came back in. So this one is having a hard time. I would need for this one a break of downward resistance, a break of horizontal resistance, and a good stochastic. So maybe in a week or so or faster, but not right now. Apple is continuing its way up. It is on its way to 196 without much obstacles. ARM. Oh, look at this. Very interesting. So ARM, we had been below 56.78 for a while, for a long while, actually. But now we are breaking this. So maybe this is a buy signal. We have a stochastic over 60. We have a break of horizontal resistance and the diagonal resistance had been broken for a long time. This one is another buy. So there's plenty of stuff that have broken prior resistances. So this is our definition of a buy with stochastic over 60. Yeah, these are buys. Always be careful because things sometimes turn around. So have an exit point lower than the horizontal resistance that you bought because of, but the market is doing good. Palantir, we are up 4%. So we just broke 2045. Very important number that we did not break over since 2 years ago. 2 years ago. And now we came back close to it recently, and now we are really breaking it. We have broken it a little bit on Friday. It was not very decisive, but today this is decisive. This is the time to get in again. NVIDIA, we have a break again. We have a little bit of a break. It's not the biggest break in the world. I like those breaks to be a little bit bigger, but with everything else happening in the stock market, I would almost take it at face value. We have a break also for NVIDIA right here. Let's look at the stock indices. Dow Jones going higher and higher. Another break of horizontal resistance. S&P 500 broke it during the day, came back in. Just a little bit more shy, but look at stochastic, super high. Everything is super, super high. NASDAQ is continuing. This one, we had the buy signal right here after Friday, November 10th, and this is continuing up. Gold started the day a little bit lower. So gold is having a harder time because the stock market is doing pretty good. So having a harder time, but still maintaining itself quite well. Silver is giving in a little bit. Bitcoin inching higher. Ripple, yeah, this is a down day, but if we look at the candles per se, we still made a higher low and the same high. So I like to see this. So we are really bouncing on the support so far. That's it for me. It's still time to catch Tesla. It's still time to catch Tesla because it is in a congestion zone. So we had the buy signal last Tuesday, but right now we are at the same point. So it's still time to catch it if you are not in it. And we'll see what happens to it for the rest of the week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.